In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from your OKX account to another wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully send your crypto to a different address, ensuring accuracy throughout the process. Begin by opening the wallet you intend to send your cryptocurrency to. Look for the option labeled Receive or Defers. Tap on this option to proceed. Next, you will need to choose the specific coin you are planning to receive. After selecting the coin, it is crucial to select the correct network that corresponds to the coin. Once you have chosen the network, copy the wallet address provided. Remember, the network is vital. Simply having the address is not sufficient for a successful transfer. Now, navigate to your OKX account, either through the app or the website. Once you are logged in, go to the section labeled Assets. Here you will find an option to withdraw. Tap on Withdraw to initiate the transfer process. From a list of available coins, select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. This selection is important as it determines what you will be transferring. Matching the network is the most critical step in this process. It is essential that the network you select in OKX matches exactly with the network of the receiving wallet. For example, if you are sending Ethereum, you must select Ethereum using the area McWare. If you are transferring USDT, ensure it aligns with the area SC2 or TLC20, BSCT2 or C20, depending on what the receiver supports. Each coin has specific networks, such as BNB on the BNB, Smart Chain, or so on. A mismatch in the network can result in the permanent loss of your funds. After confirming that the network matches, you can proceed to send the crypto NC, paste the wallet address you copied earlier into the designated field. Ensure that you have, again, selected the same network as the receiving wallet. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Once this information is complete, tap on Withdraw to continue. You will then be prompted to confirm the transaction for security purposes. This may involve entering an email code and using Google Authenticator or another two-factor or another. Typically, the transfer process takes between 1 to 10 minutes to complete. After you have initiated the withdrawal, it's important to check the receiving wallet to confirm the successful transfer. Open your wallet and make sure you are on the correct network. If the token is not visible, you may need to use the import token or add asset option to display it correctly. Following these steps will ensure that your cryptocurrency is successfully transferred to another wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.